Welcome to Bitcoin University. I'm your host and online Bitcoin professor, Evander Smart, founder of Bitcoin University. In today's video lesson, Bitcoin bulls run strong in 2019. Now, Bitcoin is considered a classic high-risk, high-yield investment by the mainstream investor and is considered volatile. This is an accurate description. What is usually left out is how often this is to the user's benefit, especially over time. At the end of the second quarter of 2019, the returns are in on Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin bull market has returned with a fury after a bear market in 2018. Today, let's go over Bitcoin's price history and not just the current good times in 2019 to give you a full picture of what you might expect as a Bitcoin investor. Forbes reported that Bitcoin tripled in value in the first half of 2019. Bitcoin enjoyed sharp gains during the first 6 months of the year, rising more than 200% as the digital currency benefited from numerous tailwinds. The cryptocurrency started out the year below $4,000 but climbed to nearly $14,000 in late June, according to CoinDesk data. The digital asset finished the first half of the year at $11,139.22, returning 202% in that time. So Bitcoin has had a great 2019, but what about other years? Is 2019 just a fluke? Well, 2018 was definitely a bear market for Bitcoin as it lost over 70% of its value. So Bitcoin trading as an investment is very exciting, but not for the faint of heart. Be advised that in Q3, Bitcoin has seen a market correction and is now trading around $8,200. This still represents more than doubling in value in 2019. However, this follows 3 consecutive years of solid Bitcoin bull runs. In 2015, Bitcoin was the best performing currency in the world, up over 35%. In 2016, it took a step forward and was up over 126%, more than doubling in value. And in 2017, this really set the market on fire when Bitcoin was up over 1,400%, rising from less than $1,000 in value to well over 13,000. So 3 years of bull runs followed by a bear market in 2018, followed by another bull run for 2019. Looked at another way, with a long-term view, if you got into Bitcoin at the start of 2015, you would have gained over 2,500% on your money today. Personally, I like that kind of volatility. Now, Bitcoin is certainly not the only investment out there. Are you a gold bug? Have you heard the man on the TV commercial say, buy silver coins? What's going on in the other markets over this same time period while Bitcoin is going on these bull runs? Let's compare other investments apples to apples with Bitcoin. Let's look at gold and silver and see if this is a market thing in general or is this just Bitcoin. On December 31st of 2018, gold was trading for less than $1,280 per ounce. Silver was worth about $15. 6 months later, at the end of Q2 2019, gold had moved up over $1,400, while silver remained the same, actually dropping slightly. This represents a 10% rise in the first 2 quarters of 2019 for gold. Silver actually dropped slightly in 2019. So gold, over the last 5 years since 2014, is up less than 20%. Silver is up only about 1% over the last 5 years. My point here is it's not the markets in general that is driving up Bitcoin value so dramatically, it's Bitcoin itself. It is actually designed to be a tremendous investment over time, whether it's in the short or long term. It has proven that the time frame really doesn't matter that much to Bitcoin. So looked at another way, since 2015, Bitcoin is up over 2,500%. Since 2014, gold is up less than 20%, and silver is up 1.1% over 5 years. Be advised that we can take this back even further. When I left Wall Street in 2011 as a banker, gold was trading for close to $1,800 per ounce. Today, it's less than $1,500. And silver was trading for close to $40 an ounce compared to $15 today. You could have gotten Bitcoins for just $3 back in 2011. Now, those of you who think that you might have missed the boat on Bitcoin are only half right. Yes, it would have been great to go back in time and get in when I did back in 2013. But Bitcoin's value hasn't gone viral yet. Bitcoin is just now starting to become a mainstream investment. So make the smart move, and if you can, start collecting Bitcoins now, not later. This concludes this Bitcoin video lesson. I'm Evander Smart, your Bitcoin online professor. Thanks for watching. Take care.